Principal activity. Bosted Plantation Berhad is a listed subsidiary of Bosted Holding Berhad, one of Malaysia's largest diversified conglomerates. Given our substantial track record in plantation management and operation, which span decades, Bosted Plantation Berhad is today an established upstream oil palm plantation Berhad. For BRD Plantation Berhad was incorporated in Malaysia was public limited company under the Company Act. It was listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad under the plantation sector. It served as a parent company to Bintulu Lumber Development Sdn Berhad. BRD Plantation Berhad is principal to engage in investment holding and provision of management service. Analysis ratio that I choose for Bosted Plantation Berhad and BRD Plantation Berhad 2020 is liquidity ratio. Okay, the first one is current ratio. Current asset divide current liability. Okay, for Bosted Plantation Berhad we get 0.21. Okay, for BRD Plantation Berhad we get 1.11. Okay, BRD Plantation Berhad get 1.11 times greater than Bosted Plantation Berhad, which is 0.18 times of current asset for each RM1 ringgit of its liability. BRD Plantation Berhad is more liquid in year 2020. Okay, for the second one, quick ratio. Quick ratio, current asset minus inventory divide current liability. Okay, for the Bosted Plantation Berhad, we get 0.18. For BRD Plantation Berhad, we get 0.71. Okay, for Bosted Plantation Berhad and BRD Plantation Berhad has a liquid ratio in year 2020, which is 0.18 and 0.71, which is less than 1 may not be able to fully pay off its current liability in the short term, while quick ratio higher than 1 can instantly get rid of its current liability. Okay, the third one is account receivable turnover equals sales minus account receivable. For the Bosted Plantation Berhad, we get 26.12. Okay, for BRD Plantation Berhad, we get 19.10. Okay, for Bosted Plantation Berhad, we get 26.12 is greater than BRD Plantation Berhad, which is 90.10 in year 2020, which is ratio 10 means that company accounts receivable are turning over 10 times per year. This collection period is very important because it indicates the company can expect to receive their payment. Okay, the last one for liquidity ratio is inventory turnover. Inventory turnover equals sales divide average inventory. Average inventory, which is inventory for the both 2 years, current year and previous year, we divide by 2. Okay, and then we get for Bosted Plantation Berhad, we get 5.77. Okay, for BRD Plantation Berhad, we get 300.99. BRD Plantation Berhad, we get 300.99 is higher than Bosted Plantation Berhad 5.77 inventory turnover. It means that BRD Plantation Berhad has a higher inventory turnover ratio of a company is in given year. The better it is for the company future. For the current asset and current liability, we get from the statement of balance sheet, and we get from the statement of profit or loss. For we get the revenue or sales. Okay, that's all.